Hello, Namaste. I'm your yoga teacher Priyanka Singh. Today on the occasion of International Yoga Day, we are going to do a unique video where we are going to show you 120 asanas in 120 seconds, that is in 2 minutes. Most of these asanas can be easily done by beginners or with constant practice. So without any delay, let us show you these 120 asanas. This was our small tribute to International Yoga Day, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and share this video so that more and more people are aware of benefits of yoga. And please let us know in the comments below what are the challenges you want me to do. Thank you.